In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Safari search engine from Google to Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo and Ecosia. And that is quite simple and easy, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and there scroll down until you find Safari. And there, just tap here where it says Search Engine to be able to change search engine to any from that list. And now let me change it to Yandex. Then I can go ahead and open up Safari browser and here create a new page. And right there, if I'll search for something and hit on Go, now, as you can see, I search at yandex.com instead of google.com. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.